The more automation takes routine work off the table, the more your hiring edge comes down to something machines still can't fake: clear, human communication. Around the world, employers already put communication near the top of the list, right alongside problem solving and adaptability, because they need people who can turn good thinking into clear action with others. That advantage gets bigger in remote and hybrid teams, where one vague message can slow a project, deepen silos, and make weak collaboration far more expensive than it looks at first. That shows up in global research too. The World Economic Forum puts empathy and active listening among today's core skills, because teams need better collaboration, and aging workforces make people's skills even more valuable across generations. That same pattern shows up with recruiters too. GMAC recruiters say conflict resolution stands out, especially alongside strong verbal communication and presentation skills. In a fast-moving team, that tells people you can steady the room, solve the friction, and keep the work moving without turning pressure into drama. More employers now want people who can read the data, make sense of AI-driven insights, and explain what should happen next in a way a team can actually use, and the research lines up. The World Economic Forum and the Graduate Management and Management Council both show rising demand for data analysis, strategic thinking, and communication as one combined strength, not three separate boxes. In remote and hybrid work, communication matters even more. More than half of employers worldwide say business school skills carry greater weight there, and 55% value online credentials just as much as in-person ones. So virtual presence isn't just looking polished on camera. It's saying what matters fast, replying clearly in chat, and sounding credible to teammates who may never share the same room. LinkedIn ranked communication as the most in-demand skill in 2024, drawing on data from 1 billion members across 200 regions and countries. GMAC's 2025 survey points the same way. 51% of respondents said communication matters for today's graduates, and verbal communication stood out in particular. Instead of saying you have strong communication skills, show where you use them, like leading client presentations, aligning cross-functional teams, giving stakeholder updates, mediating tension, or turning complexity into a clear executive summary. Then connect each example to what changed, like faster decisions, fewer escalations, stronger buy-in, or a team that could execute clearly because everyone understood the plan. CVmaker.uk helps you build a stronger application with AI-powered CV suggestions, more than 20 templates, cover letters, job tracking, and unlimited CV creation, so you can keep refining how your strengths come across. CV Maker can help you stay organized, tailor each document to the role, and keep every application moving instead of losing momentum halfway through. If routine work is increasingly automated, this is where you pull ahead. Start building your CV with CVmaker.uk today, and make sure your strongest communication examples are impossible to miss. The candidates who stand out in 2027 won't just list skills, they'll show how they explained, aligned, persuaded, and moved work with people. That's the edge to put on the page now.